Hi, I'm Sneha Saikia. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Masor Tenga, which is any Assamese emotion. Masor Tenga is a tangy fish curry and it just needs 4 main ingredients: tomatoes, green chilies, lemon, methi seeds, and of course turmeric and salt and fish. We use river fish and today I am using Catla Fish to cook this curry. Our meal in a platter, it starts with alkaline, which is khar, and we always end our meal with a tangy dish, which is Masor Tenga. So let's go and cook it. We have to marinate the fish with turmeric and salt. We are not going to deep fry it. We will shallow fry the fish and then we will add in the curry, so the fish will be automatically cooked. Using pachpuran also, but the traditional Assamese Masor Tenga is with methi seeds, tomatoes. There are many tangy ingredients to make Masor Tenga. You can make it with lemon juice also or orange juice, but the basic Masor Tenga is with tomatoes. We will add salt as per your taste, turmeric, and we will cover it so that the tomatoes get mushy. Here you can add green chillies also for the flavor. This will give the flavor and slightly spiciness. We'll cover it. As you can see, this is mushy. So here we can add water. And this curry is always a thin consistency. It should be in a soupy consistency. And let it boil. This time I am not going to cover it. We are going to add the shallow fried fish and let it simmer for some more time so that the fish gets cooked from inside. So now we are going to add the lemon juice, since this is tenga, so we add lemon juice also when the fish is almost done. You can see this is done and the fish will not take much time to cook as we had shallow fried it. We will finish our Masor Tenga with lots of fresh coriander leaves. That's it, it's done.